If your knees crack every time you stand up, or they feel like they're 85 years old even though you're not even 30, listen up. Because knee pain is not normal, but the way most people train, that's the reason their joints feel like a rusty door hinge. And let's be real for a second. Half the guys I see online are doing leg press, hack squats, and machine extensions like they're training for the Destroy Your Knees Olympics. And then they blame genetics when their knees hurt. So let me tell you, it's not your genetics, it's the way you train. Machines don't fix weak knees, machines create weak knees. Your legs need stability, your knees need control, and your joints need strength in uncomfortable ranges, not padded seats and shiny cables. And that's exactly why I want you doing Peterson Step-Downs. Probably the most underrated knee strengthening exercise ever created. It's simple, it's brutal, and it actually works. I used this to fix my own knee issues and I still do it today. So here's how to do it. Stand on a small platform, something around 10 to 20 centimeters high. Plant one foot on the edge, shift your weight slowly forward. Now slowly lower your heel from the other leg toward the ground, not your toes, your heel. Then push back up using the front of the foot you're standing on. That forward shin angle you create, that's the magic. It strengthens your VMO, that small inside quad muscle that controls knee tracking, and it builds knee stability like nothing else. And yeah, maybe it looks easy, but the first time you do it properly, your knee will be shaking like a toddler holding a phone with 1% of battery left. That's how you know you're doing it right. And why does this matter? Because most knee pain starts from weak quads, poor ankle mobility, zero knee stability, avoiding full range of motion like it's dangerous, and people squat like robots, stiff, shallow, scared to bend their knees past 90 degrees like something's gonna be wrong. Meanwhile, toddlers are out here sitting in deep squats, eating Cheerios with perfect form. Your knees aren't fragile, they're just undertrained. And Peterson Step-Downs fix that because they strengthen your knee in the forward angle humans actually use, they build ankle mobility, they light up your VMO, and they teach your knee to track properly. This is why athletes use this is why physios use this, and this is why you should be using it. So, for example, you can do 3 sets of 10 to 15 slow reps per leg, 3 to 4 times a week, and in the next 30 days, your knee will feel different 100%. And in the next 60 days, it will feel brand new. And if you keep pushing it in the next 90 days, you will wonder why you ever suffered with knee pain in the first place. Now, if you actually want strong legs, pain-free knees, and a body that still works when you're 40, 50, or even 60, this is the kind of training you need to be doing. Smart, simple, and effective. And if you want help building a full routine that builds muscle, mobility, and longevity using just home workouts, my coaching and Skool community is linked in the description. I teach all of this inside, the step downs, the progressions, the full lower body system. Your knees aren't broken, you've just never trained them properly. Start doing Peterson step downs and fix that forever.